again with Hardcore Off-Road. Figured I would show you guys, I guess, one of our Cherokee slider weld-up kits. Really, we can build these for just about anything. This is kind of a universal kit, but it works really well on the Jeep Cherokees. We sell them mostly for that right now, but we can do it for anything. This is exactly how the kit comes. You got your long bars, your bent outer bars, mounting plates, gusset brackets, end caps for your tubing, and your legs all marked C's, B's, and A's. It's really simple. I'm not going to put this kit together or weld it together. I'll just show you how it goes. First thing we do, always take the end caps, put on the end of your tubing, and weld them in place. Just run a bead of weld around there. It's easier to grind these off right now before we go any farther. So that's always the first step. Grind that off, make it smooth, make it pretty, and then we can move on. Let me get one of these out of the way. So then what we will do is just take I guess our little A pieces here, mark number A or letter A. They will mark or go right where our marks are in the tubing. So if we go put two of them there, just tack them in place, you know, lay a square on there right now, square them up, tack them in place. Then it might be a little more difficult since I'm not tacking in place right now, and I've actually set up backwards here. But so we'll spin that, put our A's in place, just like that. Then our bent tube will slide right down, meet them A's. Obviously, and we're not tacking in place, so it's a little more difficult now. All we do, take a ruler, just measure in, make sure this distance is the same on each side, just center that in place. Get that where you want it, tack all that together. So that is your main slider part. Now, for our legs, again, they are marked C's. Each slider should have two C's and one B. The B goes closer to the end where it's marked. C's go here. Just like that. Again, we square them up off of that. Now, you can either run these flat, straight out like they are, as, say, a running board more than a tucked up rock slider, if that's what you want to do, or what we normally do to follow the body line. If you raise this up about 2 inches, it usually matches the body line of the Cherokee pretty good. So I just take a 2-inch spacer, put under there, and then weld them in at that angle. It's actually pretty easy, just kind of hard holding everything in place right now with it not being tacked together. There's your basic slider part after it's all tacked. Now, mounting plates are real simple also. They have holes burned in to help center your piece. So all we will do, center it right on there. We square it this way, like that, and also that way. That will make sure your slider sits perfectly out straight. Keep it, it's easy to hold level on the table, you know, as far as rocking it this way. But it goes real simple, just like that. Tack that in place, and then our little triangle gusset can just go anywhere on here. It's not really a big deal where that goes, but that will help stiffen it up quite a bit. Just on the back side, right in there. Pretty simple, pretty easy to do. We do sell a lot of these kits. They are all 120-inch or 0.120 tubing, so they are fairly stout. We do have them in 0.188 or 188 wall tubing if you're really worried about it, but you really shouldn't have any issues with them. Real simple. We have them on our website, we sell them on eBay, you can call in. We're probably going to do a little Facebook sale on them here just to I guess, launch this video off. But real simple, real easy. Easy project. Good welders, beginner welders, whatever. Check them out.